Hi everyone. How to show language bar on desktop on Windows 11? In Windows 11, when you install more than one language, a language bar icon appears on the taskbar notification area by default. To show language bar on desktop in Windows 11, do the following steps. Press the Windows +I keyboard shortcut to launch Windows Settings app. Select the time and language on the left side under the Settings window. Next, click Typing on the right pane. Then, click the Advanced Keyboard Settings tile on the Typing settings. In this window, check the option, Use the desktop language bar when available. Then, click the link Language bar options. In the Text Services and Input Languages dialog, select Floating on Desktop in the Language bar tab. Then, click the Apply button. At last, hit the OK button. If you are new to this channel, like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the latest videos directly into your YouTube inbox. Comment below if you like this video. Keep watching, learning, and growing. See you in next video.